solution by completing the square. So completing square method. Okay, let's have some practice questions. Examples. Completing square is actually reverse of this. If I write a plus b whole square, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We used to do it this way. Now we are going to do reverse of that. We copy that a, we copy that positive sign, we copy that b and whole square. So basically reverse of it. And sometimes we'll have negative sign in between. That is a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we copy that a, we copy that negative sign, copy that b and whole square. So how do we do that? We achieve this. For example, we have an expression x square plus 8x plus 10. So we'll do x square plus 8x, give some space and write plus 10. Now there are two different types. Sometimes you will have the coefficient of x square as 1. Sometimes you will have it other than 1. So the first step is make the coefficient of x square as 1. We'll do that by taking out common. The second step is square of half of coefficient of x. Square of half of coefficient of x. So coefficient of x in this case is 8. Half of that is 4. So square of 4 added and subtracted. Now we close these three and solve the last two. So closing these three is just the reverse of this thing. So I'm going to copy that x, copy that positive sign, copy that 4 whole square. See, if I just go reverse, this would be x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 16 plus 10. Further simplification is x plus 4 whole square minus 6. This is completing square form. Another example, I'll keep doing it until you get it. X square plus 10x plus 4. Step 1, x square plus 10x and half of coefficient of x is 5 plus 5 square minus 5 square. Then we close these and solve the last two. So x copied, positive sign copied, 5 copied, whole square. Minus 25 plus 4. This is x plus 5 whole square minus 21. X square plus 12x minus 8. Now this time I'll go in one single flow. X square plus 12x, half of coefficient of x is 6, plus 6 square minus 6 square minus 8. We solve the first three, solve the last two, close the first three. So that's x plus 6 whole square minus 36 minus 8. So x plus 6 whole square, 36 and 8 is 44. This is the completing square form. Now let's increase the level a bit. For example, we have something, the coefficient of x square other than 1 plus 10x minus 4. So first step is we'll take out common. make the coefficient of x square as 1, and then all the other steps are same. So this is 2x square plus 5x. Half of that is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 square minus 5 by 2 square minus 2. 2 stays outside. Close the first three, solve the last two. So that's x plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 minus 2. X plus 5 by 2 whole square. I'm using calculator for the fraction. We could also go for LCM. For now, I'm using calculator. I'm getting 33 by 4. So minus 33 by 4. Now we multiply that 2 inside. And I'm getting 2x plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 33 by 2. Now let's do one with negative sign. Let's say we have 3x square plus 33x minus 6. So taking out common, x square plus 11x minus 2. And I wanted to try with the negative sign. So 3 stays outside. This is x square minus 11x. Half of 11 is 11 by 2 square minus 11 by 2 square minus 2. So we close the first three. X copied, negative copied, 11 by 2 copied, whole square. When we will open this a minus b whole square, we'll get this answer. So basically it is the reverse of that. Minus 121 by 4 minus 2. So 3x minus 11 by 2 whole square and 121 by 4 and 2 gives me 129 by 4. And then we bring in 3, that is x minus 11 by 2 whole square minus 129 into 3 is 387 by 4. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Try this with me. X square plus 4x minus 5. Please dictate, what should I write?
We will take
X square first and then
and what do you call 5, 4, 5 will be 4, 1.
we first write these two and give some
Yes, sir.
space. Now,
Yes, sir.
what should I write as squares? Half of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 4. Half of
So
that,
it's gonna be 2.
so plus 2 square minus 2 square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is x plus 2 whole square. X coming from this position, positive sign is coming from this position, 2
So
is
we take
from,
back 2 from
that's minus 4 minus 5. So x plus 2 whole square minus 9. Every step stays same, only the numbers are changing. X square minus 6x minus 7. X square, Ali, what next? After this x square,
What we will do 2 6x
6x, and then
and half of 3 square
so plus 3 square and
and
minus 3
minus 3
square,
square
and then
and minus 7.
minus 7. Now these three and these two.
Yes, sir. We will take bracket x bracket is 3.
3 and what sign?
We will take minus.
Minus. What next?
We will do 3 say 9
9
and 7.
and 7. So this is x minus 3 whole square minus 16.
Yes, sir.
There is one more, then we'll move on to book.
Okay,
X
sir.
square plus mm, 18x minus 5. Let's try this.
18x
Very good. Then
and 9.
shabash, shabash. That's right, Harris. Say that louder. What should I write in between them?
Between if one no just wait. 18 and
Harris, see this. Both same. These are same. First two same, last one same. What is coming in between? Half of coefficient of x. See, first same, last same. What is coming in between? Half of coefficient of x. So we do the same here. First two are just written as it is. Last one is written as it is. Half of coefficient of x. In this case, that's 18. So half of that would be 9 plus 9 square minus 9 square. Then we close the first three x plus 9 whole square minus 81 minus 5. So x plus 9 whole square minus 86. Let's try this. X square minus 14x minus 4. That is first number,
x square
x square, and then
14x
minus 14x. Last one is minus 4. What should come in between?
7 square minus plus 7 square minus 7 square.
That's right. Close the first three, Aris.
So x plus 7 and minus 49 minus 4.
Aris minus 7.
Yes, minus 7 and yeah.
And x minus 7 whole square, 49 and 4 is 53. So the question says solve the quadratic equation this. Now the only difference what we were doing is we just converted it into completing square form. When we'll be having equations, we'll just write them equal to 0 and we can solve. Like x minus 7 whole square is equals to 53 and then square root both sides. X minus 7 is equal to plus minus square root 53, right?
Yes.
Root both sides. So we can take that 7 on the other side. So that's 7 plus minus square root 53. That is just one extra step. The main focus is completing square. Now we have this. This is x square minus 10x minus 17 is equal to 0. So we write the first two and then we write that 17, and in between that was 10. So half of that is 5 plus 5 square minus 5 square. Basically closing the first three, that is x minus 5 whole square minus 25 minus 17 is equals to 0. So x minus 5 whole square, 25 and 17 gives us 42. Square root both sides. So x minus 5 is equals to plus minus square root 42. X is equals to 5 plus minus square root 42. The demand of question was to keep it in surds form. That is why I kept it in this form, or we would use our calculator to give answers up to the required degree of accuracy. This form is also acceptable. We can write it separate, 5 plus square root 42 and 5 minus square root 42. Next example, solve the quadratic equation this by completing square and see. This time the demand is two decimal places. I'm just doing it. X square plus 3x minus 11 equal to 0. X square plus 3x. We had minus 11. What comes in between is half of coefficient of x. This is examiner's choice. He's writing 1.5. I'm writing 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square minus 3 by 2 square. That is x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 11 is equals to 0. Using calculator, 9 divided by 4 plus 11, 13.25. So x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equals to, on the other side, that's 13.25 square root both sides. So x is equals to minus 3 by 2 plus minus square root 13.25. And then we can use calculator. I'm just checking if I'm getting same answer. Plus square root 13.25 up to two decimal places, 2.14. Hmm. And I just think book made a mistake. That was plus. He wrote minus. That's why I'm having different answers. 2.14 and with the negative sign getting negative 5.14. That is why we are having different answers. Getting this?
Yes, sir.
And the mistake. Example 4, just increasing the difficulty level. Now the coefficient of x square is 2. 2x square minus 12x plus 7 is equals to 0. Taking out 2 as common, I'm left with x square minus 6x plus 7 by 2. And now our usual same steps. X square minus 6x. Half of that is 3 plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 7 by 2 equals to 0. We can divide that 2 on the other side. No need to carry that because now we have equal to 0. First we were doing with expressions. So I'm cancelling that 2 on the other side. So x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 7 by 2 equals to 0. 7 by 2 is 3.5 minus 9. I'm getting minus 5.5. So on the other side it gets 5.5. X minus 3 whole square. Square root both sides. X minus 3 is equal to plus minus square root 5.5. And x is equals to 3 plus minus square root 5.5. And we are having same answers. Hence we'll get same answers in decimals. Exercise 6.2e. For question 1 to 10, complete the square of each of the expression by writing them in this form. Now you don't have to worry if there are no three terms because we'll just follow our procedure, the steps. This is exercise 6.2e, question 1, x square plus 8x. So x square plus 8x, then see there's nothing. So you don't need to worry. Plus 4 square minus 4 square, and there is nothing at the end. Close the first three, that is x plus 4 whole square minus 16, and done. The requirement of first question is not to solve for x, just to complete this form. Question number 2 is x square minus 12x. So that's x square minus 12x, and half of that is 6 plus 6 square minus x square. You follow the procedure, that's x minus 6 whole square minus 36. Any confusion in these two questions?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Try question number 3. X square plus x.
Sir, x plus 1 minus 1 square.
X plus 1 by 2 square.
Yeah, and 1 square minus 1 square.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Oh, 1 by
Because we're
2.
taking half of coefficient of x. And that would result as 1 by 4.
Oh, yeah. Yes, yes.
Question 5. X square minus 6x plus 9. One go, one flow, single color. X square minus 6x plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 9. X minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 9. So that's x minus 3 whole square. That's it. If we will open this, we'll get this. Try question number 6.
Sir, which question? 6?
Number 6, yes.
Uh, I'm getting x plus 1 square minus 16.
Okay, I'll do it quickly. Meanwhile, Ali would also share his answer. Haris, are we getting same answers?
Yes, sir, I got the same.
Ali, what about you?
Yes, I got the same. X plus 2 by whole square minus 16.
Okay. Okay, I'm trying this ninth one because of the negative x square. 6 plus 4x minus x square. Step 1, I'm rearranging it. Negative x square plus 4x plus 6. Taking out minus 1 common is x square minus 4x minus 6. Now this minus 1 will go with me because it is not an equation not equal to 0. We cannot divide it on the other side. X square minus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 6. Negative sign stays with us. This is x minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 6. Negative 1 stays there. X minus 2 whole square minus 10. And negative sign now comes inside is minus x minus 2 whole square plus 10. Try question number 10.
So x minus 2 whole square plus 2 or plus 2.
Ali, x minus 2 whole square plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Where is this negative sign?
Uh, we will. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, I forgot. Yes, sir. So it will be minus x. Uh, I think something.
I'm getting x plus 3 square minus 6.
Haris, same question. Where is this negative sign?
Uh,
It should come outside. See, first step rearranging.
oh,
Now the next step is make the coefficient of x square 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And now the steps plus 2x plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 3. X plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 3 minus this is x plus 1 whole square minus 4 negative x plus 1 square plus 4.
okay, sir. Oh,
Yes, sir. I got it.
2x square plus 16x plus 5 Try this. Don't forget to take the 2 as common.
So 2 bracket x plus 16 whole square plus 8, 13.
First, we take out common from all three of them.
Sir, why did we do
Oh,
2 minus 5?
yes, sir, I did wrong.
2.5. That is 2.5.
2.5. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
2.5, yes, sir.
Sir, in the end, what do I do to the 2? Wait, in
We'll
the same.
multiply it inside in the last step.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir, I'm cutting 2x square plus 8, 2x plus 8 square minus 27.
Whereas that's not 8, that is 4. We copy this x, this positive sign, and this 4. 8 was basically due to 2ab. Now imagine this thing only. This is x square plus 8x plus 4 squares. We just copy x, only copy positive sign, only copy 4. It is not coming here. Now if you just open this again, so that will be a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. See how we getting that statement again.
Yes, sir.
So do practice, and then in tomorrow's class we'll discuss if you face any problem. This is page 210. We've done most of the parts. 8 is missing, then 11, 12, 13. Practice them 14, 15 as well. And then inshallah we'll do the next subtopic. Anything you would like to ask before we end?
No, sir.
Okay.